Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some luxury watches for men. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is luxury fashion casual man watch. You can buy it online within $30. Second one. This is Viceroy luxury man watch. You can buy it online within $170. Third one. This is a pinky automatic watch. You can buy it online within $300. Fourth one. This is Bernie brand automatic watch. You can buy it online within $90. Fifth one. This is luxury fashion casual man watch. You can buy it online within $30. Sixth one. This is Viceroy luxury wrist watch. You can buy it online within $165. Seventh one. This is men's racing concept and dual time watch. You can buy it online within $300. Eighth one. This is Swiss brand men's skeleton automatic watch. You can buy it online within $370. Ninth one. This is stainless steel automatic watch. You can buy it online within $340. 10th one. This is Movado brand gold-plated men's watch. You can buy it online within $420. Next one. This is gold luxury Chinese dragon watch. You can buy it online within $280. Next one. This is automatic mechanical man watch. You can buy it online within $130. Next one. This is gold color and diamond crystals men watch. You can buy it online within $400. Last one. This is analog waterproof quartzman watch. You can buy it online within $40. So, today we are looking for some luxury watches for men. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.